Some opportunities don't come with a second chance. A home, a job, a loan. For many consumers, the issue isn't credit worthiness, it's undetected credit errors. Simple, routine oversight using free tools can make all the difference when it matters most. In our latest blog, we explain the steps we recommend to protect your legal rights. Check out the Consumer Edge powered by Wells Law Chicago, our consumer blog. You can find it at welleslawchicago.com/blog.